Hi guys, today I have a trip somewhere in Outback in Eastern Europe. I will try out a terrain features of the Toyota Land Cruiser 100. We can call it small rural adventure. We start with the crossing the riverbed from the local river. But sometimes you are unlucky. You must take off your trousers and take the rubber shoes. It's early in the morning and the water is cold. But it doesn't matter. The main thing is to save the car. Fortunately, I have a gift from the god and orange recovery waffles. Just now, upgrade surface, put the waffles under the rear wheels, rear diff lock. Oof, oof, and I'm out of the river. Bloody hell. After a day in the woods, I get into civilization. The meadows are already maintained, but driven away from the tractors and lorries. Okay, I also joined. I heard small sounds all the night. I couldn't recognize what it was. In the morning, everything was clear. The leaves were falling from the tree. So, lazy start to a new off-grid day. The suspension is beautiful. Believe me or not, but we are still on public road. This off-grid road is access to a rural village. I wonder what kind of cars drive here. Maybe UAZ Patriot or UAZ 469. But truth is that I met Lada Niva yesterday. Good night and see you next time.